Hello world, welcome back to another video. I'm Adam Eldergill, a watercolour student who is sharing my paintings and my learning journey on YouTube. Today we're going to be painting this powerful sunset, which was based on a picture I took on a beach in England, and I changed the reference a little bit and had a bit of fun with it, creating a nice kind of sunset watercolor. So hope you enjoy the video and stick around to the end to see my overall rating and how I'm feeling about this painting. Cool. Thanks for watching the video and hope you enjoyed it. So we're going to give this painting a rating now. Just a quick touch on the size of the paper. So it is 11 by 15 inches, Saunders Waterford, 300 GSM paper, which is, I've been really enjoying painting on these kind of bigger papers more recently, and it felt like it was a good paper to use for doing this kind of dramatic, powerful sky. So yeah, let's get into the rating. Gonna rate it by how fun I found it to paint. I really did find this fun. I love doing the skies, and I really love like a lot of color. So I thought it was a good opportunity to take the reference that you will see at the start. That was, just a normal kind of day. There wasn't too much color in the sky, and change it to make it far more interesting. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with that. And as always, doing the skies I found really fun. I also love doing the people here in the front. Just doing the one tone was quite nice, not having to kind of change the color of them and overthink it. So I think they turned out quite nice as well. So fun. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 because it was just, yeah, lots of fun to paint. Difficulty, don't think this is too difficult to do, and I'd love for anyone watching, if you want to give this a go, and you can send over your final outcomes as well to me. I'd love to see them, but I'm going to give this a 5 for difficulty, just because to get this guy looking how it is, you have to be a bit patient with the wet and letting it dry. I think also creating the distance with buildings or mountains or whatever they are in the distance. Yeah, so going to give this a 5 out of 10. So we've got 15 so far. Final outcome, I'm really happy with this painting. I think it's it's a beautiful one, and it's nice to look at, so I'm really happy with it. Really happy with how the sky turned out overall, but then also the people, like mentioned before, I think they are looking good. They look like people, which is the main thing, walking their dogs. And I think it has a lot of kind of feeling and atmosphere to it. It's almost kind of misty in the distance, and yeah, so very happy. Always room for improvement though, so we're going to give this a 9 out of 10 for overall outcome. And our final score, therefore, is going to be 10 plus 5 plus 9 is 24 out of 30. So a good painting, and one that I'm happy with, and had a lot of fun painting it. So as always, wishing you peace, love and joy in whatever you do today. Thanks for watching.